Alright guys, so today I went back to my GitHub page and then I saw this project that I've been working on for like 5 months now that apparently I didn't finish. So kaggle Titanic problem, that's the problem. It's an ML data set that I found on Kaggle, and I honestly don't remember what the data set even said now. So I went ahead to clone this repository, and it turns out I've not even built a model for it yet. So I'm yet to like actually do data exploration and everything. I actually got a checklist over here. I never finished it. Wow. I think right, I had to do something. Yes, but then now I'm here for it, and I feel like maybe I should just like make it a YouTube video, going through the whole process of trying to figure out a good model for a problem that I found. So I'm going to actually like go over the problem in this particular video. I happen to have a link here to the problem, so I'm basically just going to go there and then we'll have a look at what exactly the whole thing is about and what we are supposed to do. The sinking of Titanic, one of the most infamous shipwrecks in history. Blah blah blah. Yeah, overview of how kaggle competitions work. What data will I use in this competition? Maybe we should probably have a look at that. It says that what in this competition you gain access to 2 similar data sets that include passenger information like name, age, gender, socio-economic class, and then one data set is titled train.txt, the other is entitled test.csv. Okay, did I say train.txt? Oh well. Right, so the train.csv will contain the details of subsets of passengers on board, 891 to be exact, and importantly will reveal whether they survived or not, also known as the ground truth. Alright, so test data set contains similar information but has not disclosed the ground truth. So it's your job to predict whether the person survived or not. So that's what you're supposed to do. So we have a data set and we are supposed to check. We're supposed to find a way of predicting whether that particular passenger survived the wreck or not. Lots of chunk. I'm not actually going to read this. If you want to read this, I'll leave a link down in the description. But I think I'm going to go into the data section to have a look at how the data would be like. Yeah, we know that there is a training set, there is a test set. This is what you're supposed to predict. Survival. So either 0 or 1. 0 means that they didn't survive, 1 means that they survived. P class, that's the ticket class, first class, second class, and third class. That's what you have. So obviously, if you bought a first class ticket, it means that you have a higher socioeconomic status. I think that makes sense. So I've got my data set over here, which I've loaded over here, and I just basically cloned it into some other projects that I worked on recently. But I don't read this is the actual project that we're working on. For the record, with this problem, it's not like I know exactly what I'm supposed to do. It's not like I've solved this before or anything. This is my first time looking at this problem, and so everything I'm going to be doing will be on top of my head. So if you guys have any idea how to solve the thing, the best models to use, what to apply, just leave those down in the comment section. I'll definitely check them out and we'll have a discussion about these. It seems that there's a gender submission here, which I don't really get. I don't really get what this is anyway. To passenger ID and then whether he survived or not. So wait, this is supposed to be the answers or what? The right answers, I guess. Yes, 892. This one starts from 892. So like this is the actual answer. These are the answers. But then this is the data that I'm supposed to use to do the prediction. And then this is what I'm supposed to use for training session. So in order to load the data set, load in data set, I'm basically just going to do pandas dot read CSV, and I'm going to pass the path to that dot slash Titanic data, and I want the train CSV, and that should give me my Titanic data. So I'm going to basically say this is Titanic, then you can later do Titanic dot head just to look at the first 5, like the usual stuff that they do. So I think that the name too could be a factor. Maybe they place the people in the plane based on the alphabetical arrangement of their names, the first letter of their names or something of the sort. So we could have a look at that. But in this video, I'm not actually coming to do any serious data exploration over here. We'll do that in subsequent videos on this. But for now, just know that I'm starting this problem and I'll start working on it. And if there are any suggestions, things I should look at, things I should consider, please feel free, drop them in the comment section. It's not like I'm a master of this, we're all learning anyway. And I could see that the leaderboard, a lot of people have got a score of 1, which means that people have got this right. So I mean, we are not going to be looking at their notebooks right now, but at some point we need to learn from them and apply those also. I'll leave a link in the description to the repository that I've created for this, and if you have any suggestions, just drop them down in the comment section. For now, I think that's all I'll do today. In subsequent videos, we'll have a look at how I do the exploration and what my findings are. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.